Hey there. Hi,
We have
Mom.
no look.
It's me,
There's
Lisa
nothing
Lily. No, there's something to eat. It's me, Lisa Lillian, also known as Hungry Girl. I am here with my mom in Los Angeles.
Hello.
Welcome, Mom. She's here for a quick visit, and we thought we would do some taste tests. First up today, we have Trader Joe's Iced Gingerbread Squares.
Wow.
Wow.
That looks like it may be good.
Really?
Yep.
But you don't really like gingerbread.
No, but we will find out.
We will, won't we? So these come frozen. They have 140 calories each, 6 grams of fat. Let's see what this is. This is a square that I have prepared. Okay, I already thawed it. They're not huge, right? Not huge. For how many calories? 140?
No, it's small.
What
It's
do you
kind of
think?
small.
You think?
I don't know. Let's try it. Here we go. Wow. You gotta be careful with that, Lisa, with a knife.
That's pretty good.
It's good.
So it's like a gingerbread cake
It's sweet.
with like a sweet, crunchy layer of icing. What does that taste like? It's like nutmeg?
Cinnamon.
Cinnamon. Oh, you love cinnamon.
I do love cinnamon.
Why?
It's really good for your blood sugar.
It is.
Yeah.
So you think these are healthy?
Kind of healthy.
15 grams of sugar, so I don't know if they're more of a holiday treat, but what do you
Yes.
think? Thumbs up?
Thumbs up.
Would you buy these?
No.
No, they are good. If you want to like serve them for a holiday little dessert, people will think you might have gone to a bakery. So thumbs up, Trader Joe's. Hey, make sure you follow me for more taste tests with Hungry Mom.